Hello guys, can you find the value of this expression just in 5 seconds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you cannot find the value of this expression, so wait for solve my question. I can solve this question step by step. Okay, now firstly we can know about PEMDAS here. Parentheses have higher priority than other operations. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So I can write here 5 minus 3 parenthesis 5 minus 3 which is equal to 2. Now multiplication have higher priority than other operations, so 2 times 3 which is equal to 6. So here 5 minus 6 which is equal to minus 1. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more this type of questions.